Yeah, what is that bug? I had hoped to give you another update this week on the zucchini that I'm growing in the Black Magic Pail under the Spider Farmer SF1000 LED light. Everything had been looking terrific. The Spider Farmer light has been performing exceptionally. Plant growth has been outstanding. However, this is what I found after coming back from an unexpected time away. You can imagine how disheartening it is to find a very healthy plant that's collapsed. Did I bake the plant under the intensity of this light? Of course, I had to go looking for answers, and so lifting one of the plates to look underneath, I expected to find that the nutrient water was extremely low. Actually, it is right up to where I need it, and the roots are still looking healthy. What I think that I found is I have an infestation of an insect that attacked the plant and caused it to collapse. That is especially unexpected growing indoors, having separation from an outdoor environment, and growing in water. I do have a couple more backup plants that are in this AeroGarden Sprout. Not only are these looking extremely healthy for being in a tiny container, they're actually starting to fruit under just a 10-watt light. So I guess the lesson of this episode is that even with the best of lights and grow systems, sometimes it's the smallest players that takes us out of contention. So the focus of this week will be on removing any pests that have found their way into my grow room, possibly doing a switch out with one of the healthier zucchinis, or trying to revive the one that is in this container. So stay tuned till next episode, which will hopefully be next week, to see how this all works out for me.